Welcome to my channel. My name is Lorraine and I help people live with passion, purpose and positivity. And the topic of today's video is win the lottery, get rich by doing this. Wow. To find out more, carry on and watch this video. By doing this, I mean by using parallel realities. That sounds weird, doesn't it? And it is something I've spoken about before, and it is about getting on the vibrational frequency. But I'm going to put it in a different context today, and I'm going to try and explain exactly what I mean, a parallel reality. So when we understand that everything in the universe is energy, and our thoughts, our feelings and our actions create our reality, by changing your thoughts, beliefs and actions, you can get onto a different reality. And there's an infinite number of realities in this universe. Infinite number. You can be on the reality of a multimillionaire, you can be on the reality of a tramp in the street or anything in between. So when I'm talking about parallel realities, I'm going to give you an example, and just a very, very small example of how this parallel reality works. And then I'm going to explain how you can get onto the frequency of creating wealth and winning the lottery. Because I know a lot of you guys want to win the lottery. Right, so this is just a very small example of a parallel reality. So you wake up in the morning and you're in a bad mood. You immediately start thinking about a previous relationship and how upset you were, and then you go into all the details and you're in a right bad mood when you wake up. And you get out of bed and life feels depressing and dull and boring. You just want your ex back. You stub your toe on the bed. You can't find the clothes you want to wear. And the day generally goes from one thing to another, because that is the law of attraction. It's momentum. You get one thought like that and it leads to another, leads to another, leads to another. You come home from work and you say, oh my God, I've had the worst day ever. I had a really, really bad day. So that's a reality you set up for yourself that day. Right, in contrast, you wake up in the morning feeling grateful, feeling happy with your life. You love your life, you love your friends, you love your partner, you love your house, you appreciate what you've got, and you go out into your day, you smile at everyone, the traffic lets you through, life flows, you get a raise at work, great things start happening, you're on that high frequency. And at the end of the day, you come back and you say, wow, that was a great day, I had a great day. I got a raise at work. I had a great fun time with my colleagues. We had a lovely time. So you can see them two realities, how you created them. And it's very simple, how you create your reality. So when you want to win anything or create wealth, you've obviously got to get on that frequency of wealth, haven't you? And it won't come by you keep saying, I want it, I need it, I've got to have it. I've been poor all my life. That is not on the right frequency. You've got to get on the frequency of wealth. Go out into your day and notice where the wealth is. It's everywhere, isn't it? You can see the cars driving past. Them people are wealthy, aren't they? They've got a car to drive. You could go into the supermarket and look round at all the food in the supermarket. Not everybody has that. That's wealth. That's a wealth abundant mindset. But you have to train your mind to do it. I mean, if you haven't been doing it your whole life and you've mainly been thinking in lack mentality, and that has brought the lack of money into your life, that's where you need to do the work. You need to work on it, do it every day. Do affirmations. I'm going to do a video on affirmations, about how affirmations, although sometimes you don't feel like they're working, after a while, if you keep doing them and if you're consistent, you'll start to believe them. You're pre-programming your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is like set in stone. It's been there for years, playing the same old record over and over and over again. And you've got to change that, to change your reality and get on the parallel reality that you want. Just change your identity. you can say you're rich and wealthy now. You are a winner in life just by your mere existence, just by being here. If you just have that mentality, that abundant mentality, and, be patient with yourself. If you have a day where you're not feeling like that, don't beat up on yourself. Just get back on track. You could have a notebook and write down your affirmations, journaling, visualization, all these tools. They're tools that I've got on my channel that can help you. I'm on this wealth mindset, vibration with you because, when I was young, I was brought up like most people with a lack mentality around money. So it's an ongoing journey for me, and I'd like us to go on this journey together. But so just get on that parallel reality of what you want, and it'll be yours. As I say, try it and see. I hope you enjoyed this video and it helped. If you liked it, please press the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. Blessings to you, my friends. Much love and namaste.